everybody, Chad at Turner's Warehouse, and today I'm excited to show you the new Victory Chuck from Record Power. Let's get this thing unboxed and take a look at what's inside. Alright, so in the Chuck box here, it comes in a really nice package, which I always kind of say if it's packaged well, the manufacturer cared about it and took time. You'll see it with better products. If I can get it out of here. And this is a first for me and a first for you. So it comes with everything standard: the Chuck faceplate ring, which is bonus, dovetail jaws, which have the VersaLock system, the Chuck fastening system, the keys we need, the deep wood screw, and it looks like a cleaning cloth and your universal wrench. So, right on top you got a sticker, nice cleaning cloth. We'll use this right now. Keep this thing off the table. All right, here's the Chuck itself. Now it's a sealed back. I believe it's 4.5 inch. I'll have to verify that. We got our two wrenches. One is your loosening and tightening jaws. One is for your Torx bits. It is cool that it comes with Torx screws for the jaws. There's everything there. Your deep wood screw, which needs to be deep for the length of these VersaLock jaws. There's your deep worm screw. And then, looks like down below here, oh, we got more stuff. All right. Got your wrench. I'll leave that in the bag for now. We got our jaws. Thought I could pull them all out without dropping them. And then we got our faceplate ring, which I will leave in there for the time being. Let's put this thing together. Okay, looking at this Chuck, it looks like it's very well built. It's really heavy. It's sealed. It's geared. It has the indexing on the back. I like this little band. I think it's for safety, but I don't know. I guess when your jaw slides are sticking out. But let's get down to what's really important. What everybody wants to see is the quick release system. So the VersaChuck comes with, and I could be saying that wrong, the VersaLock Chuck comes with the quick release additional chuck jaws. So you can either go with a short pin, a long pin, and they do have dovetail, they're dovetail pin jaws, short pin, long pin, or the dome with a simple screw of your Torx bit. So I'm sure once you have this all set up and you're using it, you don't have to screw them in the whole way or screw them out the whole way. But we can convert this from a 50 mil standard jaw to this dome jaw for detail work pretty simply. And I think what's cool is the way these jaws go, you have this screw that's obviously countersunk on the side of the jaw, but also you have the dovetail from the jaw here lining in there. So really I can't misalign this because the way it all fits together. And I think that's super important when you're just trying to do this quickly and add or change jaws without spending 20 minutes on the jaws themselves. So I mean, maybe that takes 30 seconds to put these jaws on. If that, I didn't time it. But then we now have dome jaws, so that's pretty cool. And if we want to switch, just for the sake of quickness, let's see. So I'll loosen these up. And this would also be much easier on your lathe versus on a counter, I think, because the lathe would hold it much better. So you just loosen them enough to clear. And they are numbered, but luckily the jaws are numbered right on top as well. So that makes it super easy. So we got one. And they feel really, like, I was afraid they would feel kind of flimsy in the jaw here, in the standard VersaLock jaw, the 50 mil, but they actually feel really good. They feel really solid. So like when I put these in here and tighten it up, I mean, I'm giving it a snug, but I'm not going crazy. Because with the screw that's countersunk and the dovetail, it can only go in the right place, which is kind of nice. So we got 3 here. So I think this is kind of an exciting thing, and it's going to be very handy at the lathe for moving from one project to another or one piece of a project to another. You've got a lot of options here. Now these are the 3, the Victory chuck comes with the 50 mil VersaLock jaws. These are the 3 accessory jaws right now: long dovetail, short dovetail, dome, but I know there's more coming out shortly. So this is a great quality chuck from the looks of it. I think the next thing is to get it on the lathe and give it a test with some turning. But all in all, so far, looking good. If you want to order a Victory chuck or get your name on these jaws before they're released, we are going to do pre-orders at Turner's Warehouse. Click the link in the description below and get your set reserved so you can be the first one to get these.